na yedre so hwe mfonyina ewo machi a na se eye Barima Tweneboah Kodua a wodi kan na obiri konfa no che ehye se wonni ekomonim na oye osahene na so won tutuo na emom ye betwia fa no so tutuo di abro no enam no so be man kabom aba ewa Asante memu no ni memu pe na yegina yi na ne senti a yaba be pie mu na enne ye ko Barima Safo Tweneboah Kodua mprempre yi wono ye Kumawu Manhene na himfie ene se yenuanom bia wonum free America memu eye Chicago wonum enne yi wonum nchi no edue mu no na sa wonum free Asante mantam ha Ghana mem hanum a eye Kumawu hanum eno nenne yi emre aso se nananom ede wonum ba na afi wom ya amamre amane se ne se na efata na yeji wonum tumu na yeshira wonum kra no mbeka Kumawu man ho eno nti nenne NYANSAPO yeso ya baba be pie mu ha yi enti di machi na kame ho ne nyina yemfie ni nkyeremu ewo Barima Safo Tweneboah Kodua Kumawu Manhene na hemfie na afi dwumade na ekoso no yemfie ni kutwawisi ahwini mienu santami emfa nkonkodi hu adanse na yenhwese ne ebesi akọ bomode na subscribe share na like na jiwadwe nchenso efato efa emame abra yekoi Nananom de won modi kan atena sedada ye wa atwenyi mu aye twen se Barima Safo Tweneboah Kodua Kumawu Manhene won so beba na aba betense nti anuanumi ena obowura makomako a obia akoje na nkonwa ewo ho no sabe manu gusia afei ena Barima Safo Tweneboah Kodua wo ba se wuhi se owura ba ko ebodewuro no amen nti nam so amana nanom nyina asori agina won nam mu so a won twen se Barima Safo ebaba betense ampa Barima Safo Tweneboah Kodua aba gina community afi ene yetwen amama ne bono sene amamre ene eho amane ete wa Asante no akoso na dwumadi na nkasa ahye ase enti sade me kan ye pepepe ne semo ho afi Barima atenase awie enti ochiame asori ama wono so ede amane no ewo ho ne amamre ne de abo Barima Safo Tweneboah Kodua
afi wadaro ma ahokwa kwabna di wonkomo eso mbefi amanoni abanomo abebe adamo yesre ni achia belo
ana nanaka bomu hine esre na waka kwabrano odi to nanan manim se nyame adoma adura ibenya ahoho efra manoni nyame ne penifo adaroma omo bedu ewie omo sre kwan na yachia
afi ni nuanom nso eko na wonma akochia ne mako wonmo achi awie dia afi ena ye ba beto so sami se wohwa obi a waye ntemgyinafo ede ama Kumawu man no ene nuanom mu free Chicago ba yi eye nkabom hene wonna mo hwehwa wonna ogina wonmo na wofra kente na ehu enahusuo no eye ebibire ena afi fufuru ebiemu ane chacha wonna ya na woka na wode kopoto kasem se ne be ya nuanom ebe
onwa onchi efi Abibirem no ehwese mbehwe omunchi nti ipeye se omu beba to mu hye se omu ebehwe so mbeba bra ye bedi abe nyame encha de omu bedu enkran biba nkwada eno omu maka enso ba ya wada ti enu adua ena omu bedu Kumawu ha enwumere no omu bedu ya omu ankwada omu ba ebetia be mama omu de omu kyerese omu ba bedu enti no nipa edu ya mufi America mem Chicago omufi ebae se omu pese omu ba na bema ejum se de wo fa se ne nana no owo Kumawu ha na abribiara mo befa mo ba efi amanone America man Chicago no so mo ba fie no e ba Ghana no mo dru kotoka mbesa tiaka e dia ba Kumawu na aha abeye onchi na ode won ato abusua ahoduo mu sebeya fane baga onim efi a okum nti be nura no enne anokai e di omo ahwehwe emia ahoro akobodom ase enne body ase ahemfi a no ma ahoro a no mo peso mo hwe no mo na wonti e ma ye ne se awie no emra nti awie ye baya na nkitahudi a ekoso se na de hie na wo fa se ne nana no mi e wo ope ne se wo be ba de mo ho abedom no man no nti ene ya ba awie se na da wo man obekọ omwa na nhihye amane ne amame bi a wo ho no se fata wadom no ya no no agye mu ade mu atena na naso ne ba ya awie ya enate se no we will need to Barima and Manhene need to know who you are, your name. Yesterday, everybody know his or her name, the Kweku, the Abena. So you mention your local name, the Abena or Kweku or Ya, first that you add your African American name. Is that okay? Good. So you mention Kofi, so and so, Yao, so and so, Ajua, so and so. Kofi, any the African one.
Kwaku, Alex.
So we have Kofi and Kwaku.
Kwame, Johan Bass.
Kwame, Johan Bass.
Akosia, Brandy Sanders.
Albina, Dr. Kristen Fort. Akira, Vanshan Kelly. Akria. Sorry, Akria, Vanshan Kelly.
Abina, Deborah Maston. Abina, Deborah Maston.
Ni dia Mary Yabwa. Wawari Ghanaian into Mary Yabwa. Anna Odia. Diamond Sama, ya Mary Yabwa. Bema Chame, Adama. Bema no offers in Nana Noma, Fiaman on it, Chicago, a buy, say, Oma Befi, to Musa, and I say, Obey a mamreni amani, a diachi, Umatan and Nasu, no Umqua, Abibirem, no so mobile Munchi, Africa, dia, Ghana. Mudu Ghana so dia na kumo ena omo oba na asida piece ebe ko yenya be ma Tony wave to us Tony ono ene boapo mu nyina no eti omo ebae Tony de o Ghana ni ya opokuwari ni enti yehu connection ono na di mu ebae do o hwe se brano no Bema because we ne nana no ne wo fase no ma aka brano o hwe se anyi bia empre no afe se obade atom ya same team no ebeba ti bedru baabi no na dawo ma se o ma yakwan dia na o titire baabi ade amom na o so enyo mudi kru no hu akwaba enti na ne nana no ma eba eni dawo
ahadie yenkuta no boni ne gidi se kwabena no yenya wo munkra se wo mu pese ba na wo mu ne Kumawu ma bebo abusua ye bo modern ase ye betwen ne ehunu se wo mu bedura mpa nyame ne samanfo da roma enura nyimre no wo mu beduri e ma ye bo mpa ye se de be ya ade bechi enne na ye no modi nhyiamu se de sabre ye wa hai diboni bia mai na yinu si enu mbeshi asabre ya ti omo ni mehwa na yehwe a omo dia betu ya sabre ye momo akwaba
about money have so we live here very happy and fulfilled, so most welcome.
afeedie ebraso se ewo se ye chemusuaku ahodo no menemo ka se maako be se nipa no mem na omufra America bai no wo ye be sidu wono ene ye be chemusua na ye di ama wo mo asona aduana ekona asene brutu ene de keke ka ho nyina no anano ahwe ama yaye balloting no awie ewo no a wo mu be yin maako ndi se wahwa afei ena obia eyi na yehu abusua obekum ansa na ewia de soso no so ye de atoaso ewo ho no.
We all have, okay, apart from our Ghanaian brother who is already. So, Kofi, which number? 3. Number 3 is Aguna. Aguna, so, yes. Aguna for the way. Aguna for being here. Awesome. So, Stanley, I'm coming to welcome you to the family. But I'm not from coming but I'm not from yeah, which Vienna. So Kofi knows your family. Oh, you're cool. I'm 4 away. I'm on the motor. No, are you cool? Kwame, are you cool? So go and get the his name and come quickly. Okay. Number Ediata Abusia. Adiana. This one is Adiana Ediata. Yes. Oh, now you are welcome. That's mine. Yeah, your family is the finance minister. We have cash. Yes. So please go and then they'll give you the name. My name is Gretio. Come meet your family. Yes. That's your family. Gretio. Apena Gretio. Apena. Number 7. Asante. That is yes. Atu. So please go and get the name. Akosia Asante. And number 4 a corner forward. Yenya Kofi Diana no I am in some chairman efi Diana ba penyo duma se Diana sano mutre Kofi Sarfo Kofi Kahirai Kofi Sarfo Tweneboah Kodua Kofi Sarfo Tweneboah Kodua ya oda Diana duma se Diana and the office Monkata. Thank you. Afei yako asuna enso a ane bia yo kwaku nti omode ne to kwaku ochire daako Asuna Abusi. So wave to everybody. Wave. Kwame Nsuwaha. Oda Oyoko Abusi Omu. Kwame Apia. So Kwame Apia, normally the short form is Kwapia. Kwapia, the short form. It makes it easy. Kwame Apia, Kwapia. Sounds good. Sounds good. And now you walk Abrefi. Ekwana family. Apia Abrefi. Thank you. And now you walk breakthrough Abusiansi. Abena Amponsa. Breakthrough Abena Amponsa. And I feel you walk distribution the Diana Royal family. Apia Echama. Distribution Royal family. Here and Kasi Diana. Apia Echama. Yes. And I feel Asene Akosia Sewa Befi. Akosia Sewa Befi. And last but not the least. Last but not the least. In the theater. Yes. Adriana Abusia. Abna Amobi. Abna Amobi. Abna Amobi has the finance minister in your family. Yes. Sibama Jame Wadaruma said the prayer no nti do mato to abusia abronenem amomudi nti abusia ni nyina no ye say omuni omubedi nkita ho omo numbers ni ade na no afira ase edi nkita ho abusia no nti migidi ye say mre esemu no be ma sa afre bi ma na abusia no obusamo ne nana no nkita ho di a ekoso ewo montem na yaboabo ni nyina se impuntu ebeba moma na omu nso ekono omu kodi adanse a kire omu nuanom ewo ho ye gidi se ebia afege be kwa wie ne kwa ne se omu esade omu nuanom eba ye se omu kwa kofi ehu se owo aduana abusuam a okọ akofre ni nua aduanafo edi omu aba enti no dema adehie no ya odi omu atoto abusuam ni dino ani abobodi ama akati for registrar atrotro na ebeda ho na yirin se abusuam nti se itina abusuam so se ya behwe omu so ti na akosi
abusuam enni no nananom ani adehie so obia ni age mama de nwanwa kakra ni se mame apena amobi ebra oni ne duata abusuam ehia ye no ye frɛ amobi eye sana eba no eka ho na ohwe no osi ni structure any atade akasa ehye no sesi a no wo sa atade no abi ebo Chicago enti kyeresa ono de nani agi che obia di adama nia akwesi no no.
So like he explained, I've informed Barima officially the names that have been given. It's been registered by the registrar for the traditional council, so it's not a child's play. We mean it, and it's serious. So it's gone into the annals of Kumawu traditional area, led by the only Barima, the great and brave warrior of the Asante kingdom, going to his God. So it's waiting. So it is expected that as we go in, we will go and preach the good news and bring more of our family members, our lives, and for development of Kumawu.
mind. And we are expecting that in the nearest future, shortest possible time, we'll have a community, Kumawu Chicago community in here. And yes. So as we go, we need to begin to think about development. The entire land is for your grandpa. So for land, no issues. So he blesses you and blesses you and blesses you. So that's it. And Abibirem Mobi was special. Chiame was talking about your dress and your sister's dress.
The same, yes.
The same.
Yes, please explain that I have the exact same dress. And my father back in the US, and my brother are involved in finance.
Your what?
My brother and my father are involved in finance.
Finance. Oh.
Right. So like full circle. So that everything about it is the
Right. Tibama Chame dear, I will be a can say, and when once I tell you, okay, and Pampa will be na. Nebusian, ne brand new animals so hono, Omunina, or take finance, no, Omunina, so a war, as a Kajumania, the finance, and Omunina, or better finance. Finance minister will do something here.
Afi ne braso say ye makwan ma Barima Sarfo Tweneboah Kodua Kumawu Manhene afi de wodi ni hira e de na basa mu duru no tutu wo no so na afi wo hira wo mo eno ne amamre twato kura na afi de hu se yaje wo matum na Barima Sarfo Tweneboah Kodua we Kumawu Manhene so no age wo mo e de wo matum se ne nananom ene wo mo a wabɔ wo no mo atenase eno na wo hwe a wo no mo e kɔ no maako ebodin a na wodom abeta wachi na wo kɔ no sa pepe epe.
So basically, Akuya Achama, Diana Royal family. Diana Royal family.
Come forward.
Akuya Chama.
I say,
yo, Akuya Chama, and Casa de Abibirem yo, Abibirem Ponsa, great to appreciate. Ediana. Convince about the work again. You have heard Diana Abibirem. Convince about Diana. Yo, convince about the work again. Ekona ekia abefi ekia brefi ekona ekia brefi hey, the wife of the king. The wife of the king is also a brefi. Wonderful. So the wife of the king is also a president in Nigeria. So you're the wife of the king. And then the Adiana family, Abina Amobi.
Yanko Poncho di Amponson. Asante yansa. Nana nko nyakasie. Majin sanum. Na fra munson. Onwa munsa. Nana nsu huro nyina madaroma awie mu majin san. Anya boni bi. Enti na wie ye fra mu. Ani gi samwa madaroma aba. Say nana nom Yabusia sabe ebrebi atwamu omukodi baabi ebredu se omuhu se esese omu bafie nya bibia na sanya baabi asa Chicago ana yenana no ni enuanu mi omukodi ye eso omuhu se ene ese omu bafie efia omu ba no Ghana ha enkrodo so bebre omu anya baabi a modi se Kumawu ana sese yede dom ekobo ene dai be ma safu Tweneboah Kodua ne Manhene waje abusuan atum wa ma omu Asante din kwaku akua ya abna akosia sabusuan nyina ne omu abaye Kumawufo nananom de yesra ne se abusuan ya bedom Kumawu emusuan horo enyina ne yede atoto sabe ye nananom ne yadofui ene ye gunsa ne yede adamo ase se yehunu anigisam a etese ne yedi ho ne se omo aba ya bebo sa abusuan ye yesra nananom anchakra omo besan yakọ Chicago biem omo koi omo nkofa dom emfamra edom so omo de ba no omo de ba amakumoma so atumpon nananom bema enkwaso na hima nkwaso nananom abusuan huro nyina nkwaso nananom ensa yegu se oman kuroi ani abusuan ene yadom nyina obia ho beto no nipa bonefo a ono de enka wono nko nanka mania sabre ye akoye sidie akoye sabe atwetwe nananom obi nton san hira no Sarfo madaroma ya dirijamo
Ladies and gentlemen.
yes open kwa me apia
This gift of libation is the highest value of liquid that we could find. And we do this, as it was said, in prayerful attitude, the highest gift we can give. But you yourselves have given us a great gift today. Given us 3 gifts. The first gift is your arms to welcome us into your family, into your community, and now it's not your community, we are all part of the community. Yes. So in our new community, you have given us your arms. The second thing you've given us is you have given us adoption. You've adopted strangers from the outside, from far away. Thank you. And the third thing you gave us was something that you sacrificed, not in money, but in your physical presence. Your presence today. You came from far. You came from near. We all came to this moment, and now we set everything aside. Our children, our families, all the other things that could distract us for this moment that was in fact the gift well honored by Barima and giving us this rare gift, the gift of great value is the gift of our presence one with another. May we be granted to renew these presents again and again as God spares us. But if we do not, we recognize that we are not strangers anymore, but we are now family.
Papia, you do all. Say, piao. Piao.
Not identify with tragedy or identify with slavery, identify with our new community. And we're so proud, and your welcome has been so beautiful. And the ceremony, the patience, the humor, there's so many connections to our family in the US that naturally links to all of you. I see my family in your faces. I see my family in the dance. I see my family in the humor. I see my family in the gathering of food. You have blessed us immensely, and this experience we will never forget, and we will come back. We will come back.
Thank you as well on behalf of my family. I know that I get to be here on behalf of 20 or 30 family members who are out back in the United States, and they are so proud that I'm here as their representative. And I'm so glad to be a representative of you when I go back as well. It has been, like Deb said, an emotional time to be here. And we're so grateful for your kindness, your generosity, your open arms. We're grateful to welcome into a space full of people who are intelligent and wise, who are thoughtful, who are gracious, who are generous, who are beautiful. We are so thankful. So thank you for having us, and we do look forward to coming back. Me, myself, as well as the rest of my family. Thank you.
Yes, yeah.
Yedi say ye and some Edia Tosso, Freebie adoption set, ya form set, your ma any woman, form say a man you want to maniati. Na woman say Omoya a hobo, and she says, Omo Abe, a Busian Precope. Ye toss me and son, and you just say, when you say, Mamma Adaji, anyone so ya Tweneboah, or what they say a babe train, Bibri, and Sunini Nemono, Yawaha, ain't he? Kofi Adebes also said, na few minutes ago, you say a hawk one neighbor and a hawk one neighbor, and so Putupru Assassin Amaya Bay a Busian four, and not a yan and one, a yan and Niji, a man a broso, indeed. I said a PSC, no demand will be a Amobi say, or not yet, or shake will be any man who won't Busian for new US. When 1889 or by a sa a course no who ne busi ya fu e bibi biara eno ntina eni age pa no no de obeba oni ne duatafo no watom seita ti oni umbeba abesom na abena amponsa ade be so se ono de eni age mo so onku adoye ya ye omo na eye ni so enti ya ye aseta piesie ana wodema yebra omunana ani atanko nyina wo emra asai ewo mu ho mani je kese sei omo ba ne kase dema agogo kese omo beye abusuan prope kire asita. Let's give it up.
In fact, I appreciate it and I'm honored to have all of you here.
It's you.
So you are welcome.
It's you.
And secondly, I also would like to take this opportunity not only to welcoming you,
it's you.
But I would say we are so happy
it's you.
To have you with us.
It's you.
I think this is the first of its kind in my kingdom.
It's you.
And I think it will not be an ideal wonder.
It's you.
I'm going to follow. It means there will be more of you to us.
It's you.
So that we try and build a community around here.
It's you.
As one of my principal ideas will say.
It's you.
Community, Kumawu, Chicago.
It's you.
The Kumawu province.
It's you.
So in fact, we are so happy to have you.
It's you.
Now you have been initiated, you have been inducted in various clans here. Adriana, Abuna, I think there are 7 of them. As soon as there are 7 of them. And so, and all the rituals are going to have cultural, traditional, procedural, how we do our things here have been manifested to you, and we've gone through all the rituals. By the pouring out of libation and other things. Blessing from my, from my end. All this comes to one thing. We are one family. That we are one family. And that I'm happy that you have come to be with us. And I pray that it will not be an ideal one. Don't say because now you have been indicted and you go and that is the end of it. Let that relationship that we have started building from today grow. Please let it grow. Do you have the contact details of the various families? Try to get into contact, close contact with them, so that at least you communicate, do whatever you can, so that relationship grow and grow and grow and grow and grow. And I'll be monitoring events. I will make sure I, ask them whether you are calling. I will make sure I monitor events, whether you are calling or you are not calling. Because I'm so happy, I'm so enthused that we are witnessing this today. Ideally, today is the bar. I shouldn't be sitting here. I should be resting in the room, but because of you that I'm here. And therefore, it shouldn't be a waste of time and energy. Time of a waste of resources. But let's start from somewhere, and I believe that it will become something big for us. Now you have a story to tell. You have a big time story to tell. I know you have a very big story to tell. Kumawu is a very calm area. It's a very big area as well. And I own a lot of lands here. I don't know whether you took them through the museum, where we have the boundaries and other things. It's a vast area where if you want to think of anything like development, farming, whatever, I think we are ready to help. So I think you come to the good place. You come to the right place. So I'm welcoming you once again on behalf of the Traditional Council. Myself, I'm welcoming all of you to Kumawu. And now you are being part of us. Thank you very much. Jakakra me can say, Yasida, and I'm being Akatechi, Tony. Bukura no Koi or Katechi. Muna na muse oyakatechi. Ani pakwe is a mini free and grabbing me the abrache. Because if you can make up with first, only baby in the pajama. Wow. Because it's already on the pajama. I sit up and the mom say, if you are free, Madici or mobile. On for Mango baby, I said, come on and don't buy. Don't mass papa, but in William share and a masher, me, and in another, any mine. One among the Akoso, you need it, young from. So when here, who's a near baby, Akoso, a boy, you papa. They say, I wish you know, I am torn so many. Yatimia, ya check. I'm going to be in did they make and say, so I'm quite a moment, dear, said, because you know me, and young to be because you know me, didn't come more. I'm a teacher, we are here, or meeting at church, your mamma, bia etimi akoso
Ezio.
Ni ashashie.
Ezio.
This is say komodie no ene nkita odie no koso a.
Ezio.
Bitimi abo ama. Sa ayonkofa ana bisuya boya ya boy free nei.
Ezio.
And now free and then apple. Kashim ama bibia etimi aye kra ebehwe.
Ezio.
Enti that's them madam papa. Madam papa person na mobile.
Dwumadi na ne eba so ewo Barima Sarfo Tweneboah Kodua kurom no Kumawu afei na wo hwa ni nyina eba wiye na ebre aso se Barima Sarfo Tweneboah Kodua one ni nuanom anase ne nananom a wonu free America kuru a ye friend say Chicago eba ye no afei na wonu atwa hia wonu atwa emfoni kakra ti se wo hwe enuanom yi a wonu eye Black Americans wonu eye adesia wonu nchi efri Ghana mem hanom Kumawu titiriwo ene wonu maba ma amane ni amamre sefata no no nananom aye ama obi anya na busua ofri mu de owa aduana de owa asona de owa agona obi asa anya ne twidin de aka ho a enye asem ketewa ho wonu ena wo mani aji age na wonu gina Barima Sarfo Tweneboah Kodua enchen yen pimpin wonu etwa emfoni na enye asem ketewa krawa wodim se wonu mani aji ebrese mu no ye no mo be twitwenkomo na ye bisa wo mo afeni ye hudi obia enso ebeka e de afa enetiti dwumadi na eba so sese se wo hwa Kumawu ahemfi na ye gine ebisa for ye nya ye nuanom Black Americans ni bi wa hanom a ye ne no eba abedin komo na ye bisa na ne de course no said you no so esi ehunefa nti ye ne bedin komo na ye bebisa no no ankasa de medin aba ye bepoto kakra nti yesemo mo de beche de besi dia na wi a ye bisa no na afeya momu Kofi, you are welcome to NYANSAPO TV.
Welcome. Thank you.
So can you tell us your full name?
Yes, I think so. We're going to try. Kofi Sarfo Tweneboah Kodua. Yeah.
Kofi Sarfo Tweneboah Kodua. Repeat it again.
Kofi Sarfo Tweneboah Kodua.
Okay. So let us know your take about the program. Let us know your take about the program.
My thought, what I think about the program?
Yeah.
I think it's fantastic. I think it's wonderful. I think the African Americans like me have wondered for years what it would be like to visit Africa. And so we have the chance to do this through this program. And so I'm really grateful for it. The different experiences, the different people, and just the opportunity to know and to be known.
Yeah. Do you have anything to say to the traditional leaders of Kumawu?
To the who?
Traditional leaders of Kumawu, especially the Barima Sarfo Tweneboah Kodua.
Oh, I think, yeah. I would like to say thank you to the Traditional Council, to everyone who has welcomed us with open arms, to everyone else who made this opportunity possible. And I take his challenge to stay in contact with family very seriously. So even though I'm going home thousands of miles away, I want to stay in contact. I want to continue to be a part of this family.
So you are happy?
I'm very happy. I'm very happy to be here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
I was here for Kofi Sarfo Tweneboah Kodua and I interview Sisia and I say maybe Sanity and nobody chair was in a near say anyway. Akoso Afi Wada Nananoma one more boy and can Barima Sarfo Tweneboah Kodua Kumawu and Manhene say would any more Emma and Edmedi Ecos. You go see a Benya in Yanubinoma Eddie and Como Ama Amobi. Abina. Oh, right. You are welcome to NYANSAPO TV.
Oh, thank you so much. I feel so welcomed. Yes.
So can you tell us your full name? I mean the local name.
My local name is Abina Amobi.
Abina Amobi.
Amobi, yes.
So I saw you earlier on. It seems you were feeling nervous. Am I right?
Just a little.
Yeah.
Maybe a little, not too much, because I love music. I love to dance, so I feel comfortable right away.
Okay.
So I'm gonna say no. I was not nervous.
But as time goes on, I saw you also becoming emotional.
Because this is very emotional. For African Americans, a part of our story is missing.
Okay.
It was missing, but now this welcome just fills in the blanks. It fulfills the story. It gives a place of connection and identity. And so much pride. Yes, and I see the welcome and the beauty in my people up close and personal.
So in all, what do you say about the entire program?
The entire program, it feels like an honor. I do feel emotional because the time and the love and the care and the welcome made me feel like family. And it made me feel like, he's right, I will go back. I will talk about my experience because I want everyone to have the same. I want everyone to be complete. I want everyone to have the joy and to dance.
So way back to America, Chicago.
Yes.
What are you going to describe? How are you going to describe Kumawu tradition to your people over there?
How will I Skype?
Yeah, how will you describe?
Yes, what I will describe to them is that piece that's been missing, that heritage, the story, it needs to be retold. What you know so far is incomplete, and sometimes the story is not positive. This story is extremely positive, extremely filled with pride, excellence, goodness, family, everything. And I'll be very excited because I'm very excited right now. Even just the welcome, and the stories, and the art, and the history. And I love the connection between African Americans and our Ghanaian family. You do that so well. And so I would tell people, you have a place, you have a home. There are many African countries that are wonderful. I love Kenya, but I love Ghana.
Finally, do you have anything to say to the king? I mean, the Barima Sarfo Tweneboah Kodua.
Yes, His Excellency, I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for your time. I'm so grateful for your love and care for your community. I'm so grateful for your graciousness. And I'm so grateful for your blessing. And I'm so grateful for just the love that you've extended to African Americans, but Africans in general, to everyone. There's a beauty and a friendliness, but also a power and a strong desire to care and build a community. And that's so important.
And I think among all of you, you are the most happiest person among all them. What's your secret?
But what's my secret?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think that there's a couple of things. I am told that I'm very joy, and the joy of the Lord is my strength. And that's probably the source. So that's where that comes from.
Thank you.
Yes, and I have a lot of joy.
Thanks for having you.
Yes.
Your name again?
My name is Abina Amobi.
Abina Amobi. Wow. Abina Amobi ena yenine edi enkomonti ebisa ne the whole show program na nkasa no na dwenkyerɛ wɔ hɔ ɛno no wakyerɛ mu de akyerɛ sɛ n'ani agye ɛwɔ ɛho na ɛnɛ wama yɛhu anase yama ne hu ne nti baabi a wofiri a wɔbaayɛ afei ebisa ne sɛ obibi ɛka ɛde kyerɛ Barima Sarfo Tweneboah Kodua ɔmanhene a wɔ Kumawu ɛno nso ɔse n'ani agye kwan a Barima Kodua n'ani agye paa kwan ɔno nso ɔfa so na afei ne man ɔne ne ɔdɔ any abotre any idea one more etie etimi say bisa say wokọ back yi e de no wokọ kan de ache ni krom for Chicago wose wokọ a wokodi adanse pa e de ache mo efa Ghana mamre ani Kumawu amane eho e wo no ya nya back wo hanum a one day I think say wokatwi enti one day of krom ya e no waka wo mo ho e no no mo ba enti ye be ma na ono so aka back mienu bi na afi yakọ mira ya mo akọ ababa NYANSAPO TV so
yeah
me fa cho na udi ankasa de say
media ankasa de papa kwesi kumsin
Papa Kwesikumsi. Ode ofri koma ya.
Me dem fri koma ya me nom nenam.
Okay. E dey na be ka dey afa dwumadi ni nyina.
Me kure ni yam yanim ni. Abro yensusuye. Eni ekwan ya ye fa so adwen ho ehu. Nyam yadom ni Barima da Roma. Se ne wadwo matum. Aye fe. Aye nshira. Aye nije. Nti no nyam ni eda na se. E dey aseda so ma Barima. Say ye debatu n'anim say ne nana no bi ene ne mabia wo ama no ne eba no mbezo mu omunchi na se nke be ya ka onyu omuntum na omo matrase na o mahu say omo ba Ghana omo bebre omu free odi enigye agi na otmaya kwancheche ye ne ese ye bia e ma ye ni na pepepe ma na ya miadom ye hu ade a efese
Yeah, that's fine. You're ready in the bone community. Say, one also, oh, Kromaya, but what can warm and a Bibia, Ako, and Kainti, Ono, and Yanin Como, Yan Kabum Hineswa, Eti Yanin Kabumini, Enin Como, Ediana Yetia, and Kabumini, and Kabumini, and Kabumini, Eti Yanko and Kabumini, and Chenian Chimpino, Sansa, so best you na, and I want to say Abuakoto or Boa, now for Yemisan in the Ankasa, Yemani, the Brebi, Ewa Hanoma, Yebit. What the Roma, ye bird made in a no, the Aniatia, and in Kabumuhini, and Kabumuhini. Yenny Kamu Aquaba, and family NYANSAPO Symphonies.
Yamu.
I feel Ubamayahu, and Kabumuhini, or wine.
And Kabumuhini, and Nana Otuo, or Wahine, a champon. Me Kumawu Manhene, and Kabumhine, Bemasa for Kodua. And Kabum, Majumane, Ebini Diamuhi, and Noma de Impuntuo, and in Kabum. Enen koso ebeba nti bibia den kabom mpunto nen koso ebeba no ho adwuma na meye enu nti no dwumadie no me na esimi na so a eboni beka se coordinator nti me ne yenu amno mafi Chicago amano ne bayi edi nkita ho ahodo nti mi putu program ni nyina together so mo bom bekwa ebesi share say omuba no omuma mesaya kekekse bie so tourists demom no moba atenase na yabo muasu ewa ha edi omahye se omo hwehwe omunchi se African Americans omunchi ene Ghana ombedu Ghana edu kotoka enfa no mufom baga omo ba Kumawu enu nti no ne hwe se mehye se adwumadie ewo miwra be masafo edimu sebe ya ebeto aso nti no we ene no ma bebre na wo yanima machesha se nkabom hene menso kakra metimi de aye ede aboa na oman no etumpon yenkwa yentimi nye ti egidie se de wo yanim na doso ti ye bedam ase NYANSAPO samonso maba na mabeso yasene
odihye bi hwe Ghana ni bi hwe Kumawu man dihye bi hwe obisa no se na we kura mfa so obai na Kumawu man ana Ghana man yebenya ede afirimu a ede na nkabom hene beka
yo medase obi biara wowo amanone Europe America Asia baby biara yenyina yetubata ekodipa na ye hwese yan yakoyi ye bebo dehuro ankasa efa yaman ahoro ho emfa so de ne sen de di kan yennuanom a omu enim omu nchi ena ye to nsa frese omu nyina beba fie no mu abeboa ma yasom ni acheche Kumawu ya cheche oman bia ye pese ye firi so eni nkura ahodo de to so ede nkabom na eba onuado ebiem impuntu ahoro a ye hwehwe wo ye man mu no ye didie se yakọ akọbua nkrofo a wo mu aman so amomu acheche mu aman amomu adiye suahunu bia yakonya no ebi mu koyi ya nananom ni adehye no omo nyamiado mo akoko suku ebi ma be ye doctors engineers ne de keka ho ye hwe se omo beba omu nchi omo bebu compassion omu nchi na mpuntu bia se fata de omu ede boa brocheman ene de keka ho ma omo ehoyeye no omo mra nti ehwe se de mpuntu soronko ene bebre oman bia ani kuro bia ombekoso ye ka ne se ni anim se nkura ahodo nso ne amanhene ahodo ebeye nhweso de amomo ye nka se Kumawu nko a bebi biara se nsuta se mampom bebi biara wa Ghana ha bia efa Volta region northern region ye hwe se ebeye nhweso de ye nim se bi mu aye bi pen nti enye sabe so ye na ye die di kan na ye nkranhye ena omoma kanya ye hye omkranse beto akoso na ya dehye no ya hwe omachi akwan omuba nso sade omu abaya ya beje omu awa tu ni sentine se ede nkabom nkoso eni mpuntu a ye hwehwe no ena ebebre ye